Check, 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 check. That's good. Let's work, y'all. I need a haircut. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, that one's good. Let's fix this one. We can make it a little bit bigger. Over there. Oop. There. This doesn't really matter. Price is right there. I don't like it. Gotta make it right. Why does it look so crazy, by the way? Dun, 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 bum, bum. No sound detect. Liar. Liar. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. MU 2.9, volume 6,000, average fill. Looks good. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, YouTube. Everything looks great this morning, to be honest with you. I hope you're all ready for this. Good morning, Dot. Good morning, Chance. Hey, what's up, dude? How are you? Ready to get some good trades in? Okay, let's see what we got. What up, Chance? All right, at a market open, I'm going to take profit on Fastly. I took 3, not that many. It was a earnings play. I got the 12 calls for September. It's opening at 13.50. I got the 12.50 calls. They're up 130% right now. I'm going to take it before it goes away. But it's dumb not to take it. The IWMs are up 55%. IWMs are up 55% for our entry yesterday. That's a freaking winner. GG. Good morning, y'all. IWM cons are up 50%. Yep. Take that. Take D-Dog. Take Fastly. Take Tesla. That's a win. Yeah, everything I swung over from overnight, that's gone. 200% on Fastly right there. G baby. That's what's up. My entry for NQ, I totally forgot to set one. I had one NQ at 322. It filled. Gonna move my stop up just in case it fades. My target is pretty much higher day. Jesus. That's a win. Fastly's gone. Fastly. Datadog has investor day today. If you guys didn't know, my average was 212. They're at 50% right now. I just took some off. Money. Gotta make that money, honey. I'm trying to see if I can fill that amount. Data dog. Yeah, everything that I picked up, we're good. We are good. We are good. We are good. Cat, good morning, Cat. I hope you're doing well today. Happy Thursday. Or the IWM dip buy, we're at 50%, Cat. Data dog, 50%. The Fastly cons are now at 250%. Win. That's a win, baby. I'm going to set this in take profit stop loss for Fastly. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Cat. Good job. Good freaking trade, Fat. Okay, I'm going to make my limit will be Fastly can just be gone, right? That'd be sick to see Fastly just disappear today. It's pushing hard. Our earning play worked. The thing with earnings, like I try not to. But hey, when the flow's there, I'm going for it. You never know, right? You never know. I'm just trimming everything right now. I'm just working, making sure everything's trimmed. I have Rivian contracts too. They have earnings today, tomorrow. Today, Thursday? Today. So let's see our magic number for VIX, 17. We're going to go for under 17. Cat, I'm going to reset my TikToks. It's going crazy again. Be right back. What's up, Hawk? Fastly, Datadog, IWM. And Tesla is pushing. We're good. Oh yeah, Tesla's pushing, Fastly's pushing, everything's pushing. I got Datadog today. They have when is investor? When is the investor meeting? It's gonna be nice to have that investor pop on Datadog. Dog. All right, my NQ. I'm moving my stop loss up. My entry was 322. I'm just gonna move it up here. I'm just gonna let the run rest. But we are good in Tesla. Tesla, Datadog, everything is green right now. Fastly's over 277% now. Datadog field. IWM's at 53%. All right, cool. I'm gonna trim some of that. Good shit. It's all green today. I am up. We are up. We are up. We are definitely up today. That dip buy on IWM yesterday was money. IWM. Yep, we took it right there. I picked up 265 calls for end of month, actually, February 27th. So I'm just gonna let this thing run. I will set a take profit stop loss on it though, so it's never gonna be under red. My entry was 370. It's at 560 right now. I'll leave it at 460 for the stop limit. And then my exit, let's just drop like, who cares, like $20 for fun. Let's sell it for 20 for fun. Hi, cat. Hopefully my TikTok doesn't act up again. Yep, fastly take profit stop loss is set. Tesla's gonna push. Cool. We're good. All right, that's pretty much all my trades already. Overnight swing, take profit. We're good. We're good. GG. Maybe find something else today for everybody else. Kat, do you hear music on the stream at all? I don't know why TikTok keeps going like there's no sound detected, even though I'm talking to you. I'm pretty sure you can hear the voice. Okay, music is not loud, right? I don't know. TikTok is so dumb sometimes with like the studio. It acts up. Cool. Yeah. I'm just gonna chill now. What do you see, Kat? Not too loud? Perfect. Okay, cool. I'll leave it as is. So if Tesla can hold over 430 today, it can push into the rest of the week. That's what we're hoping for. That's what I'm hoping for the Tesla trade. But is it too late? It's never too late for anything. I would wait for a pullback. Did it push? Hood. Oh, Hood's pulling back. Moving my NQ stop limit up to 346. The entry was 322, by the way, if you guys are trading futures and listening in. Kat, what are you thinking? Buying shares here and just holding it? Hood is so ugly currently. I expect the Hood to do way better by now. Well, good news is that it has to fill that gap right there. So you can target 80, 85, 86 range. You know? You can definitely target that. You know what to do today? Today's Thursday, so just relax for now. Yeah, Hood. Shares wise, it's okay taking it here. I feel like this line right here, I'm gonna color it red. It's gonna get tested. This support right here. Dude, this thing is crazy. Bullshit. What up, Chance? Hello, sir. MBS. Yeah, Daydog's good. PLTR got you. Let's see what NBIS is gonna do today. PLTR. What is this? Leftover notes. Under 150 can be puts. We were right about it. Under 150 can be puts. I wonder who I gave that to. Whoever took that note from me should made a lot of money. Should have made a lot of money. So you're welcome. And Q is pulling back. Okay. POTR. What do you think, Kat? Do you like getting shares here? It looks exactly just like who the hell did we just look at? Hood? Had good earnings, which is weird. Tesla pullback fib on the 30 entry. Nice, man. I'm watching NQ for a second entry right here. NQ is going down. Nice. PLTR. Looks like it has more downside, Cat. Like I see more downside. It tried to reclaim 50 SMA and EMA right here on the weekly. Kind of rejected it, which is a 148 for the 149 line. Gave a bear flag on the daily. It broke. VIX is going up, by the way. Watch 18 on VIX. And that's why you have stop losses, everybody. Yeah, I see VIC going down a little bit more. If it loses yesterday's low, 132, let's say 133, let's say 132.9, I'll drop more. What is NQ ticker? MNQ? Oh, QQQ. QQQ. NQ is QQQ, or is MNQ? And you have to find it. Can you type it in? Just type in MNQ. Yeah, today's a win. Massive win. Let's see if the 430 can hold for Tesla to move up higher. It has to hold. Were you able to find NQ or QQQ? Apple. This week. That's tomorrow, man. Damn, someone spent $1 million on this trade. Yeah, QQ. Yeah, QQ is up pretty high. APP is short side liquid. Chance, what's POW? Is that like a ticker that I don't know about? High liquid. Dude, I have APP pulled up right here, buddy. They're trading for tomorrow. Well, the market's pulling back, so I'm a little hesitant to even take that trade or even look at it. I thought you already took CarWeave yesterday. You know what's crazy? VIX is going down. So is NQ. So something's up. Curious if you had news or something. There's CoreWeave for you. Well, we already know what the chart looks like. Liquid. It's tapping that level. Once earnings and a month. Yep, and a month. When I checked yesterday, that shit was like expensive. I didn't want to take contracts that were like over $10 for an earning run up. Let's see. Which one will we look at? Liquid. What contract are we thinking? Do we want to get March or do you want to get the 27th? You're 95 calls already. You're, you're already in. Like, I can't. For like $12 right now. You're in the money. Are you going to roll up? I can't join you in this one, man. Contracts are way too expensive. I'm looking at the March contracts. Like I could run into next week. Like 100 calls for next week. They're decent. They're let's say 420 each. I know I'm looking at there's 7. You're still in the money. You gonna roll it up to 100? Yeah, they're moving right now. I'm looking at a ticker while we're talking, and it's like pushing. Get over pre-market 97.70. You're loaded. Fastly, IWM, Datadog. Where's Tesla at right now? Tesla's need a full 430. That's the thing. Getting smacked at 430. Yeah, good trade on that one, Liquid. For Core Weave. What's the other one? You said net, right? Was there a net? No, I am still in IWM. I have a stop loss, take profit. IWM, my contract stop loss at 460 each. So I'm not even looking at that anymore. Oh, sorry, Chance. Shit, pal. What do we know about PAL? It's already on the way up. Dividends coming up. Chance, you pick up PAL? Good trade on that PAL. Nice, Chance. How'd you find that trade? It's crazy. PAL Industrial? What did they do? Well, industrial, but that's good. Yes, sir. Do we have flow for this one? Oh, nice, Chance. Wait, you started a long time ago with shares? That shit's expensive, man. Did you get in like $15? That would be sick. Or like $21. Then that would be a wild trade for you. Congrats on that. Holy shit. I like this chart, Liquid. TSCO. Do we have flow? I'm gonna check flow. Do we have flow? TSCO. I don't see any flow on our end. Maybe you see it on your scanner. Fill the gap. I already fibbed this one. When did I fib this? What are we thinking, Liquid? I'm down for it. Dude, that's a good move on that on your PAL play. Is that today? Yep. Earnings today for Rivian. Got some dumbass contract for those. Oracle needs to reverse. Software's down. Liquid, TSCO. Did you take it already? This is actually a really good chart, by the way. TSCO, everything's curled up. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna check the option chain. CSEO, TSEO, TSEO. Come on, TSEO. Which one, Chance? Your favorite March 20 calls? Which one? Which one is that? Are you talking about TSEO? I'm checking right now. So I don't know how like I feel like this is a slow mover. So I would do a month out. Like March is smart. Like realistically, like for this play, I would wait for a pullback. If we can get a pullback. Let's see what 10 a.m. does and see if we get a nice pullback on this. VIX is pushing. TSEO. Let's see. March. There's like no interest in this name at all. March 20th. It's like no volume in this trade. It's one of those ticker has no volume options. Dude, what the? Hold the fuck on. What do you think about this one, Chance? Look at this chart. Like, I feel like it's just gonna stall here. Two giant wicks right there. Hawk. I'm gonna do SPX later. I'm not even looking at SPX right now. But yeah, I'm planning on doing an SPX trade later. Actually, let me pull up the. Hold up. I'm locked out with futures, so no more trading at futures today. GG. Dude, liquid TSCO. Like I'm looking at the options change for this name. It's like nothing, man. Home sales numbers are down, by the way. I don't even know how to trade this name. There's like no volume in any contracts, which is weird to me. Hawk, I'm not gonna take for SPX. I'm not gonna take SPX into 17 is under for VIX. Yeah, I'm not touching this shit. There's like no volume, like none. Now SPX is too early to see. I have gamma and I have Gex and gamma up for this name, but for SPX, but it's early, so it's gonna change. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the scanner into our Discord under scanner, no, under gamma. Gamma, 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 gamma. There it is. SPX. There. I dropped in I dropped in gamma request for SPX. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Yeah, I'm not gonna get anything else. I'm up. But yeah, I'm good. I'm up 40% on the portfolio over overnight swing. Not buying anything yet. Probably not even buy anything today at all. Unless it's there. It's always a lie. Unless it's there. Here's SPX. I want to see SPX. SPX. MU is a short, right? No, MU had a lot of a strong flow yesterday. I wouldn't short MU right now. It had like a lot of good calls coming in. You can short it for a quick scalp, but I wouldn't like hold on to it thinking it's gonna drop more. Let me see something. Yeah, I see puts flow. Yeah, call side on MU is bigger than the put side. Oracle's waking up, by the way. Hawk, do you see that scanner? I dropped in the room for us. So if I'm doing SPX today, I would target so based on a scanner. 69.75 calls on the long side. $69.75 calls. They're super expensive right now. Actually, no, I'm looking at tomorrow's date. Sorry. Excuse me. $69.75 calls. Oh yeah, I'm looking at SPX right now, Cat. I'm sorry. 69.75 calls for today. 6985 calls had flow, but I would get closer. So 6975. There's a 6950 magnet. I'm gonna check back at like 11 a.m. or even like at 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. There might be a good entry for that 6975. I'm gonna give it time for this to like balance out. I'm doing a lot of research right now on SPX trades. Been good so far. I've been taking SPX trades like without telling the group because I don't want anyone to like risk their own money. Based on a chart, based on this gamma chart we have, this platform, I'm just studying it. Net. Good morning, boy. Tesla can't hold 430, by the way. That's 2 knocks right there. 1 knock, 2 knocks. Rejected. Oracle's waking up, liquid. Did you say there was flow? What's up, CR? Did you say there was flow on net like recently? Liquid? I think you did, right? Hold on, I'm gonna look it up. Net. Yesterday, call sweep net 185 calls. VIX is coming up to $18, by the way. Yeah, don't long anything right now. Don't buy anything, people. Just chill. No need to buy anything right now. I'm looking at net with you. Well, Daydog's trying to wake up where we have investor day today for it. And you already know we're in it. So. So you tell me, Liquid, you tell me, should we go net? Yesterday net had like early flow. $200 calls for tomorrow expiration. 185 calls for tomorrow expiration. Yesterday came in at 12:39. The last one was 185 calls right before close. So that guy knew. Well, he bought it at the money. I don't know, man. I'm echoing? That's weird. I didn't change any settings. See, TikTok Live is stupid sometimes. Okay, hold on. Let me. It's good on the YouTube side. Let me try to fix it for you, Cat. Checking, checking. Maybe that will do something. Let me know, Cat. I had echo limit. Check, check. That's good now. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, TikTok's wild. Hawk, just for visual, I have a set limit for 60 SPX 6975 calls. The same one on a scanner. I have a limit buy at $2 each. The lowest so far I've seen was 235 each. If it doesn't fill, it doesn't fill. Then we'll just wait until 11 a.m. to see if it's gonna be a cheaper price, or we move on to a different spot. But they're up at 320 now, so they're $100 up. So yeah, I think my SPX and the gamma reading is getting better. That would be 5 out of 6 this week on that. The one loss was because I was away from my computer. I was away from my phone. Yeah, I couldn't exit on time. That shot up to like 100%. Damn it. It happens. SPX, you're on. What platform are you on again, Kat? Maybe Hawk or Liquid can help. They're on Schwab. Is that like what's Schwab? Hawk. SPX on Schwab. What is that? What ticker is that? I think Hawk would know. Hawk might know. I believe Hawk would know. Yeah, I missed that, Phil. 420 each now. Is it just Cat? What if you type in the $ SPX? Schwab should have like a pretty good search function. That's weird if they can't find SPX. Dude, that Fasty trade was sick. Liquid. Thanks for bringing that, baby. I owe you some ramen. I'll get you the oxtail ramen, my guy. Whatever my liquid wants. Yeah, SPX. Yeah, it's yeah. You can't buy share. You technically could. You can buy it, but we're strictly trading contracts right now. Those I was talking to Hawk that those 6975 calls for today, it dropped down to 235. They're at 420 right now. I'm watching it very closely to see how price reacts to the gamma, to the magnet. So I have a set limit for it at $2. $2 each. The one I did yesterday was the same thing. It was like 6960 calls or something, or 6965 calls. It went from 210 to 610. So that was a definite win. Everything's like reversing now. See Tesla. Tesla 430 got to hold, okay? Hawk, if it doesn't hold, it's dumb. Why that boy woke up so early? Liquor, how do you feel about Oracle? Let me bring this down here. I keep forgetting I don't need to trade NQ anymore. Accounts locked up. How to enable it? You can't do this inside a TOS app. You must log into Charles Schwab website or platform associated with your account. Navigate to profile settings, exchange, agreement. I love it when you find that stuff for us. Oh my god, I love it. Nvidia calls into earning. I actually have Nvidia calls. I do have Nvidia calls, but right now, if you have money to lose, hold on. Let's just check Nvidia again. Let's check. Yeah, that's the bear flag. Bear flag, my guy. I was telling him like, hey, if 192 holds, 192 holds, they can push towards like 198. I don't think it's gonna hit 200, but I do have. I do have run up contracts. I bought it yesterday. I'm just running it up. I'm not gonna. It's a 200 calls into next week. I know it's not gonna hit 200. I'm just looking for like 15% if I get lucky. Let's leave that over here. What do you think, Chance? Do you like Nvidia into earnings? It's so iffy with Nvidia for earnings. Like I don't know what's going on with the news currently because they're switching from GPU making to like fully like AI focus. Like is that still GPU? But I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. Too many FUDs right now with Nvidia. You know what I mean? Like one bad tweet or one negative analyst can just drop that shit. But 190 is just knocking. I like the 190. Yeah, I like the Oracle move. Hi, baby boy. Yeah, buddy. Is it sunset? What do you mean sunset? Yeah, sunrise. You're so funny. Like sunset. Throw me off, boy. Hi, Hunter. Hey. I know, Sonny. It's coming out. Today's Thursday. Yes, sir. Some they clean it out. Good. Kids. Hawk, I'm really intrigued by Tesla. I kind of want to take the 435 for tomorrow. I'm gonna go light on 435 calls tomorrow. Very light. Don't follow me, people. Give me 40 seconds. I'm waiting for his 3-minute candle to close. NVIDIA might be a quick bounce right here. I want to see it target 195. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. I hear you, Liquid. Don't worry. I got your V. Cat. Microsoft's dead. Ooh, that candle was nasty. It didn't open above 430. Liquid, how do you feel about Microsoft? Hawk. Let's take a look at V first. 4 hours, got 113 magnet, which is also resistance right here. 332. What's up, Omar? What up, my guy? Yeah, no Microsoft. I know, Kat. You have shares, so dude, what do you see in this trade? Liquid V. Did you see something crazy? That was sneaky that we didn't know about? You're right, Hood. Leighton. Hey, what trade did you take? Yeah, I'm done. I was freaking done with this guy. I keep forgetting I need to lock up my future accounts before I overtrade. Yeah. Future lockup. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. I'm locking up for futures. It's under. Right there. Here's the 113 liquid. Unless you were hold on. Yeah, that's wrong. Here's the regular hours. Here's extended hours. Both are still under. Unless it touched it, and I don't know how. I don't know. I feel like Cat. I feel like Microsoft still wants to keep going lower for some reason. Like it's just like the box is filled. Now we just like do this thing. I should have kept that freaking drawing yesterday. I drew it. Why did I take it away? Do you still have it? Something like that? Like ideally, I wanted to see this. Like it came down, right? We fill a gap. Push to 382, come back to the golden zone, which is like 618, but it's not today it's pulling back to like the lower end of it, right? You're still within the golden zone. As long as we claim 403, 404, then it can push back higher and retest. So we might see this like movement in here. So since it's doing that, it's gonna retest the 618 level next. That's the look I see for yeah, liquid. I don't know. Yeah. Why is your hold on, can for your thing, liquid? Let me pull up the EMA thingy. Are you able to change this? You're probably looking inside your EMA thingy settings. Like close, offset 0, smoothing I have none. If you can do any of that changes. Yeah, I have EMA. It's not like EMMA because you taught me that thing. That's wrong. Offset 0. Yeah, I don't know what else. Wait for time frame closes. But it's not for V itself. We just got to get over this line, right? 333 liquid. Then I'm in. I'm with you. But then we have all this confluence. You got the 200 like EMA and SMA right above it on the 4-hour. Yeah, over that on a daily, we I don't know, man. This chart doesn't look like enticing to me right now, currently, at all. They got paid out dividends though. Oh no. Oh no, liquid for V. Like just yeah, I don't know. For me, that chart doesn't scream like buy me. And I know V has some crazy looking option chain. Hold on, let's see if I'm right. V. Yeah, volumes. Let's see. It would be for like March. Because this is one of your. This is the slower mover. 350 calls isn't that expensive either. Like March 20th for V, 350 calls. They're like 270. What's up, Kev? You made 1.3, 1.1 in this chop. Good job, dude. That's good. I was watching it this morning. I didn't. Yeah. I took one NQ trade by accident, even though I like didn't want to do it anymore. Holy shit! I beat Pill by like $100. Holy shit! Yeah, that's the same flow I just checked for V. Yeah, I see that liquid. What are you thinking? It's not a bad spot. Like I'm okay with this price. I'm definitely okay with this price right here. Should we try it? Like, can we get a pullback or something? You know, I'm gonna go small. I'll go small and we'll go from there. Hello? I didn't want 10 contracts, bro. Oh my god. Phil. All right, I'm in that flow, liquid. So I am in with you, sir. Well, I'm in it. I don't know if you're in it. Hawk, my SPX $2 fills came in, but I see that the market is dropping. That's okay. So what was that? V. We took 335 calls. 335 calls. March. Right? Yep. Looks good. No, we took 350 for March. Oh my God. Dumb. I took 350. March 20th. Why did we take this? Flow. Cool. Hey boys, remember yesterday? You guys can you go get ready for school? Brush up, pee, do everything? Thank you. Thank you, boys. VIX cannot go over $18 today, FYI. Telling everybody that. VIX cannot go over $18 today. That's going to just mess up the market. Okay. Oh, my IWM filled? Oh, cool. I guess. IWM. Yeah, stop loss. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. That's good money. That was a win on IWM. Omar, are you still there? Omar's still there. Oh my God. What'd you take, Omar? Yeah, buddy? What was that sound? Toys? Oh, what did he drop? My stuff? Is it broken? Did he break it? SPX trader, spy trader, SPX. This should be a bounce or a stuttering. Hold on, what word am I looking for? 69.35. You see a bounce. Maybe right here. To be honest. But that's just from charts. Yeah. It couldn't feel that like it tried to fill that gap yesterday, Omar. 66.59. Telling you, it's gonna go to that red line. It's gonna go to that red line. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what? Oh, that's meld. Remember? I showed you yesterday. Yeah, it says meld. Oh, the background? I don't know what the background is. It's just the background guy. Check on the baby. Why is she screaming? It looks like bubble gum. It does, huh? Yeah. Hey, dude. Can you go get ready? Tristan, what about you? Can you go get ready too? Thank you. I want to get a pop-in continuation liquid. It's all you. I'm using up all my Fastly profit for this one. Okay? All of them. I'm rolling to this one. Dude, if it goes under 66 for hood, it'll be like 64. VIX at 18, folks. Hold on, let me see my gamma. See where is it at right now. I need an updated gamma. Put size 6900, 6940 gamma target, 6950, 6950 puts. That's already in, man. Yep, 6900. Dude, the only name that's still holding up. Oh my god, liquid. I should have full ported, but it's earnings. You can't full port earnings, man. I'm happy with that profit. I am happy with this profit. I'm cool. I'm very cool with that profit. Like 140 each to 520 each. I'm cool with that liquid. It's not the same as our AMD trade that we did. That was a good one. That was wild as fuck. Woke up like nutty. I gotta clean my office. I got all this shit in the background. Time is it? 7:40. All right, guys. I'm gonna get the kids ready because they've been acting up. I'm gonna get off early a little bit. Yeah. Just wait for the market to base. Like the weak names, keep shorting it. The stronger names, just that's a discount retracement right there. Pullback. Microsoft. Hold on, let me do one last check for some names we looked at today. Microsoft. Get rid of that. Look. Microsoft, for a chance to move on the upside, it has to reclaim at least 405. Hood. Hood's gonna go to $66. Guaranteed. PLTR 121-ish. Yep. Tesla needs to reclaim 430. If 430 is not reclaimed by like midday today, my contracts are dead. V, we're good. I want to see it retest at 331 though. We need to get over 333 to be honest with you. Got you, Cat. Cat just moving. Like Caterpillar. This name is so expensive. It's pricey, dude. Like I've traded options for this name before, and I'm like, holy shit. When it moves, it pays well, but like it's pricey to get in. And it's like a non-stop. It's always going up. When's this thing splitting? I don't know, but I put cat 600 calls back on. I don't even know when I put it this note. Too bad I can't like. Does it tell me? Is that when I put it in? I put on Wednesday, December 7th. December 17th. December 17th. Let's see if I was right. I put 600 calls for January 9th. Dude, look at this. Liquid. Chance, that's crazy. On the 17th, I put 600 calls for January 9th. On the 17th, price-wise dropped down to 561. By January 9th, it topped at 618. Cat can guys on TikTok and anyone watching, next time can you just make sure I buy what I wrote down? I know charts. Like, make sure my ADD ass doesn't like make me walk away and forget about buying something, because it happens all the time. Son of a fuck. Did you see that, Chance? Oh my god. All right, I really gotta go. The boys are crying. Another fight in the bathroom. Okay, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys.